biological effects of music. Most of them you might be knowing, right? और लॉकडाउन के दौरान बहुत सारी चीजें डिस्क्लोज हुई हैं, right? Because we all at some point of time we all were feeling dull, feeling lonely. घर में होते हुए, फैमिली में होते हुए, we were not feeling safe, highly high feeling of insecurity. So we all understand the relevance of music here, isn't it? तो यहाँ पे कुछ clinically proven facts हैं that it affects your blood pressure and heart rate, it improves breathing, because यहाँ physical aspect में music बहुत अच्छे से work करता है. Then improves immunity and reduces infection. Immunity is one word which was most highly used in the lockdown period, the COVID period. So definitely we all humans work through hormones, right? We have different type of hormones that is, we are trying to, every time we use our one hormone or all the hormones for creating some reactions or response. So dopamine is one thing which is called happy hormones, and music helps him to secrete dopamine much more. Yes, Brinda.
Ma'am, I'm very sorry to interrupt in your class, but I have another class to attend actually. I thought it was 12 to 1:30. So 2 o'clock I have...
Oh, generally it goes till 2. Generally हो जाता है, but I always try to do it by 1:30, but I always fail.
That's okay. I can understand, but I'm sorry that
No problem. Is it Counsel India class?
No, ma'am. It's for Gate Psychology, so that's why.
So you actually we have covered everything. बस ये कुछ facts की slides हैं. If you want to go through, these are psychological effects. These are music therapy as mind-body medicine. These are some glimpses related to, actually I cannot share my hospital pics because of confidentiality, but these are some home sessions I did just before lockdown, and I was working with the psychiatric settings, but I could manage to do some home sessions, multiple disability and multiple delay disorder. And here we have a 96-year-old lady. She could not do anything, but once the shakers were given in her hand, she could manage to blink her eyes and produce some sounds. And yes, with the shaker, she could move her hands. That's what, the magic of music is, right? So yes, we can actually wrap up. Sorry?
I'm saying, yeah, that is very true. Music always contains that magic within it. So, that's why I think from being born until death, we enjoy different segment with different kind of music due to that.
Yes, and our taste, the musical preferences keep changing. Yes. So, Brinda, we are also, just wrapping up. So, you might leave. आप जा सकते हैं, कोई problem नहीं है.
Thank you very much, ma'am, first of all, for such lovely session, because we do all so many theoretical session, and this is like a different kind of a breathing experiment. Yes, it is like when music or art comes, yeah, that's kind of a breathing space. So thank you very much for the lovely session, ma'am.
Arts तो इसलिए ही है ना, भगवान ने दिया है ये. It's not something man-made, it's actually God-made. So that's why we enjoy it thoroughly. Okay, Brinda, bye.
Ma'am, thank you, everyone.
So, everyone, apart from Brinda, please read the facts. मैं फिर से उसी slide पे आ गई हूँ. And if you have some doubts, please ask.
Ma'am, I want to know one thing. Is there any difference between music therapy and music model?
Can you ask this again?
What is the difference between music therapy and music model?
What is music model? Music model क्या होता है?
Ma'am, music model is like acronym. That's like words of some different alphabets of some different words, and given by someone. So I just want to know that Is it?
Oh, I'm not able to relate these words first because we do not use these words. Music model, I do not use it actually. Music therapy, yeah, music sessions, music coaching, yes, these are some words, but I've not heard the music model thing. I mean, it's in what context? I understand music, I understand
Then
model.
it will definitely some other.
It is some?
It is some other one.
Some other one. Yeah, I need
It
to
is
check.
basically in motivation. Music model is in motivation. It can be
Just
academic
write it and
motivation
I'll also
or
find
other.
Okay.
It's by Dr. Jones.
Okay. All right, but still I cannot explain it.
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, but I guess it is not something related to music therapy.
Yeah, maybe. मुझे दोबारा रीड करना पड़ेगा इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा ना नाम से कंफ्यूज हो रही थी.
No problem. If you have some inputs, you can definitely convey the things to Rushil and we can communicate.
Sure.
Okay, Tombing has written music therapy has not much theory. अरे बहुत theory है, lot of theories. But since it's a practical thing, no, we can explain it practically also. We read it a lot. We read a lot. We have so many books. We have so much to understand. And if you do not read, how will you understand? Actually, how do we follow? How do we do things? We read researches. We go to Google Scholars. We read certain ebooks, and every time, to get updated, it's very important. And of course, through social media also, we get to know many things. And the most important thing is what you have learned through your institute or where you have taken training. So this song is from Tamasha movie, Agar Tum Mil Jao. I'm sure आप लोगों ने सुना होगा ये गाना. And who have not sung it or heard it before, just enjoy. पल भर ठहर जाऊं, दिल ये संभल जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं, मेरी तरफ आता हर गम फिसल जाए, आंखों में तुमको भरूं, बिन बोले बातें तुमसे करूं, अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो. Then there's a music piece. बहती रहती नहर नदियाँ सी तेरी दुनिया में मेरी दुनिया है, तेरी चाहतों में मैं ढल जाती हूँ, तेरी आदतों में अगर तुम साथ हो, तेरी नजरों में है तेरे सपने, तेरे सपनों में है नाराजी, मुझे लगता है कि बातें दिल की होते लफ्जों की धोखेबाजी, तुम साथ हो या न हो क्या फर्क है, बेदर्द थी जिंदगी बेदर्द है, अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो. थैंक यू सो मच. गाना बहुत ही ज्यादा मेरा भी फेवरेट गाना है, ये रिसेंटली फेवरेट हुआ है. थैंक यू
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I hope
Thank you so much, ma'am.